Hi family, yeah, welcome back to another reaction video. Guys, today we'll be checking out American fire trucks versus German fire trucks. Guys, let's check out how they perform. Hey, if this is the first time meeting me, my name is Nazania. Welcome to today's video. So guys, without further ado, let's just dive right in and check out this video. Okay? Okay, this is American number one. Wow, it's long. Wow, it's so loud. People are still crossing in traffic. No, even in traffic. Have they reached? I think they have reached the destination. What is shaking in the car? Yo, yo. Guys, this here fire truck is slow. It does not move fast. Like if the building is already burning, like it might burn down before the fire truck reaches. Like people are still driving in front of them. Clear the road now. is long and slow, then when it comes to where it has to bend, like it's kind of hard for it. Yo, can they make it a bit like minimum so that it can be faster? Wow. And guys, the road users are not, and they're not making it good at all. They're not even trying. Because okay, you are hearing their siren from a mile away, like a long far distance. You're hearing them, oh. You hear that they are coming. Why not clear the road for them to pass? This is an emergency. Why not clear the road for them to pass? You will even drive in front of them and stop your car. Yo, these people are not serious. They are not serious. How? How? This is emergency. So we should wait for you to float finish. Ha! It's slow. It's slow. The people are not even happy. It's too loud. It's too loud. It's too loud. And I think, okay, I think they are repeating videos. Yes, that's what they are. They're repeating the videos because I've seen clips that I've watched like 3 times now. It's too loud. That's why we repeat. Okay, now they're stepping down. And I've not seen them in action. I've just seen their truck like driving through. I've not really seen them in action. I think they're going back. I don't want to walk. Yes, because I've not seen them walking. We're just seeing their trucks. Okay. Going with the back. Okay, Germany. Okay. Wow, is this how their fire facility is? See, this is faster. See how fast is it? Wow, this is emergency. No stopping. Wow. Guys, so okay, in America, we are seeing 1 or 2 trucks. But right here, I can count up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trucks at a time. Wow. 5 going to the same location. Wow. This is faster and more effective. Wow. Like they're in line. You see? They are waiting. Wow. Guys, they are fast. You see their trucks so fast. Germany is no, America is as if they are on slow mo. Like they're just going small. Like they're just slow. But these people, guys, you're fast. You see they turning. Wow. And another thing, please, I want to ask: is it that it is like they don't have much cars on the road like the Americans because the road is almost free? Like eh, I'm not seeing much cars on the road. What happened? Wow, this is a heavy decker. 2, 3, 4. Wow. 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 I know the bigger one will be at the back. 2, 3. Wow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. And 6 trucks at a time. 6. Like it was 6. Wow. 6 trucks at a time. Wow. Wow. Wow, see that turning. This is them coming out. Guys, they also have long trucks. Then, why is Americans own slower than Germans? Why? Why is their truck slower? Because, see, this one is a long truck, but it still drives fast. Americans own is as if it's a slow mo, as if it is overfed and don't have strength to walk. Something like that, guys. Ah! Wow. Heavy duty. Okay, another thing that that I found out is that okay, over here, whether the traffic light is at stop or go or anything, once they just hear the siren from afar, once it's closer, all of them, whether it's stop sign or go, they'll just wait for the fire truck to pass before going. You see, this is better, not the ones that will be dragging road with the fire trucks, knowing that it is an emergency. They'll be driving road with it. Eh? They'll be dragging the road, dragging the space. See, whether it's at stop or go or whatever, they will just pause. They have to wait for the fire truck to pass first. You see? Wow! Wow, this is so good. Okay, this is them coming out. Wow. Two. And then, you see? And there's another one at the back that is coming out again.
Michael-Burgau-Straße oder Margaretenau beim Herzige Brüder in Richtung Prüfening. Dort wird die Linie 1a der
Everybody stop. You see? Everybody stop.
zu eigens mit Evakuierung eingerichteten.
Wow. But this is how it is at night. These are 6 cars, 6 trucks, 7. Wow. Yeah, I've not seen this one before. I've not seen this one. Like someone is bulldozer. Like clear road. Joe, that is blue. Like even if I'm driving a taxi and I hear this one's sound from afar, I'll just park one place till it goes. Because if this one jam you, if it jam you, you wouldn't even see yourself in hell, self. You not see heaven, you not see hell, you just disappear. Wow. And their number is 112. Wow, it's so fast. It's so fast. See the way it's turning, like, you see? Everybody have stopped for it to pass. Does not have to wait for traffic lights. You see, everybody just stopped for it to pass. It doesn't have to wait for a traffic sign, whether it's red or black or green. Anyone. It doesn't have to wait. It's emergency. Go and serve it. Wow, I love this. Like, I love this German fire truck more. I love it. I love it. Wow, see how fast it is. See, everyone is in one lane. One lane. See as it's clearing the road. You see it's clearing. Guys, did you see that? Like, it's just at its back. You just have to park, like not parking, just clear. Wow. Wow. Yo. This is heavy duty. Straight ahead. Wow. And that's the end. Yes. Firefighting. Guys. One thing I realized from this video is that, let me say, Germans don't have much busy roads like Americans. Yes, because if you check out their roads, it's most there's less cars on the road than in America. That's another thing I found out. Yes, because I know I've reacted to a lot of German videos, and from the videos I heard that Germans are more like bicycle riders than car owners. Like, they enjoy riding bicycle or bikes or trekking, should I say, let me call it walking, than cars. Yes. So maybe that's why the roads are lesser with cars than the Americans. Those people, they hardly walk. Yes, that's what I heard. Yo, guys, I must say that these German fire trucks are way better. Should I say I prefer them to American fire truck? That's my own choice. Guys, which one did you prefer? Which one do you prefer, judging from how this right now? Ah, what do you have to say about this? Go off the day you deserve, and we'll keep living under commanded lessons. See you guys in the next video. Bye.